Alright, so we're going to demonstrate today how to do a temperature rise test. To do the temperature rise test, you need a digital manometer that reads temperature and your K-thermal couple thermometer. You're going to turn your meter to temperature, and a couple things we're going to go over real quick before we conduct this temperature rise is, number one, this specific furnace needs to be in high fire for 10 minutes to reach steady state efficiency. So what that means, this particular furnace has two stages of heat. First stage is half of 3 inches of water column, which is 1.75 or 1.5 rather, and then we have to have high fire will be at full inches of water column. So to do a temperature rise test, you take your thermometer. You can do the return or the supply first. It doesn't really matter. I usually like to do the supply first. All we're going to do is stick our probe into the ductwork in the center. We're going to hold it there, and we'll try to wait until the temperature kind of steadies itself out a little bit. Looks like at about 160.5 degrees. Then we're going to take our probe out. We're going to move it to the return down here. Do the same thing. Wait for that to steady out. Looks like 93 and dropping, 92, 93. So it looks like almost back up to 95. It's kind of fluctuating a little bit here. So 91 was the lowest. Okay. And the highest was 95. So we'll go at 92.5 as the average. So we're going to take the temperature from the supply, which was 160, subtract the return, which was 92.5, and that gives us our temperature difference. And as long as we're within 40 to 70 degrees, we're good. And that is basically how you conduct the temperature rise on a furnace. Stop.